The first one, the Memorandum of Understanding signed with John Deere, tractor manufacturers of the United States, with plans to bring on board up to 10,000 tractors over the next 5 years. We have the Green Imperative Program, GIP. That one also is targeting another 10,000 tractors and other implements over the next couple of years, 5 to 10 years as it is. And then we have another one, Greener Hope National Agricultural Mechanization Program, also targeting agricultural machineries, tractors, harvesters, and all the like. Now, what is the game changer here is, unlike the other programs, where government will buy certain number of tractors off the shelf and then dump it onto the farming communities, no maintenance culture, no maintenance service, what do they call it, spare parts. This program is designed to systematically have service centers across the 774 local governments of this country, so that when these tractors are in operation, you don't need to go far to get maintenance and spare parts as the case may be. And this same program is being designed to bring on board young Nigerians, the energy, the creativity, and the innovative mind of the Nigerian youth is also being taken into account here. So that at the end of the day, they will be the ones to run these service centers, which will be ICT enabled, because like you very well know, with ICT today, you should be able to know the hectarage you are working on. It's not like the former one that is analog. The man will work on 3 hectares and tell you it's 1 hectare. That is not going to happen. The technology that will be introduced, the operational standards that will be introduced are all going to enhance productivity. And coming along with it also is a credit scheme that will enable big-time farmers who really want to own one to be able to own it based on a very limited interest rate. Now the other aspect is that, very importantly, the aspect of assembly. They are going to be assembled here in Nigeria, which means we will gradually begin to build the core human capital in terms of technological know-how and skill set over the long run, such that the country can also begin to think about its own manufacturing system for the nation.